Over the past few months, we've seen the usual steady stream of leaks related to Google's upcoming slate of Pixel phones be known as the Google Pixel 8 family. Now, as first spotted by 9 to 5 Google via a leaker on X, formerly known as Twitter, we have yet another leak. This time, it's a promotional video that would likely be used as a television commercial. In the video, we see skateboarders using a new Google Pixel 8 Pro feature called Audio Magic Eraser. As one would expect, the feature uses AI smarts to remove unneeded audio from video clips. At the end of the clip, we see the Pixel 8 Pro itself. The phone is in a new-to-us blue colorway that looks pretty good. Interestingly, the ad's text says Google Pixel 8 repeatedly, and all we see in the video is the Pixel 8 Pro. This strongly suggests the vanilla Pixel 8 would support the Audio Magic Eraser feature too. Note the weird, janky colors of the video. This is likely a leak deterrent or some other way of identifying the clip is not ready for distribution. The real ad will probably not look like this. The latest rumored specs for the Pixel 8 Pro include a 6.7-inch QHD plus OLED display with LTPO and a 120Hz refresh rate. Under the hood will be the new Tensor 3 chipset with 12GB of RAM and 128GB/256GB of storage. The rear camera array will feature a 50-megapixel primary camera, a 64-megapixel ultra-wide camera, and a 48-megapixel telephoto camera. An 11-megapixel front-facing camera will handle selfies and video chats. The battery will get a small increase from 4926 amp to 4950 amp and will charge slightly faster at 27 watt. An ultrasonic under-display fingerprint scanner will be employed, hopefully ending one of the major Pixel 6 and Pixel 7 issues, and a sensor on the device will take the user's temperature. Android 14 will be pre-installed. The Pixel 8 is expected to feature a 6.2-inch FHD plus OLED display with a 120Hz refresh rate. It will also be powered by the Tensor 3 and should be equipped with 8GB of RAM and 128GB of storage. The camera array will feature a 50-megapixel primary camera, a 12-megapixel ultra-wide camera, and a 10-megapixel front-facing camera. Battery capacity will rise to 4485 amp from 4270 amp. Charging speeds will be faster at 24 watt. Both Pixel 8 series models are expected to be introduced and released in October, just 2 months away. Anyhow, guys, what are your thoughts on this new features? Let us know this in comment section below. Be sure to subscribe. Peace out.